Hello everybody, it's Nicola here. I hope everybody is good and everybody is happy. Or maybe you're sad, or maybe you're angry. How do you feel? I feel happy because we are going to learn and have some fun at home and with Monkey. Say hello, Monkey. Hello, everybody. My name is Monkey. What's your name? What's your name? Very good. Okay, so are you ready to learn some English at home? Yes? Huh? I can't hear you. Ready? Are you ready? Okay, very good. Let's go. Say bye-bye.